Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is January 17th and I'm using my easy scalper trading system that has the super signal indicator. That's the one with the arrows here, and it has the easy scalper indicator. Two great scalping indicators. You'll get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here, suggesting whether there is a potential buy or sell trade. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, New York time, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments. And of course, I'm looking at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision, judging from the daily trade plan whether I should be buying and or selling, I manually put in this white arrow just to remind me whether I want to be buying or selling. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time, and it's only 9 o'clock in the morning. Many hours still can be traded with many different instruments. Look at all the buy and sell trades. If you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are still struggling. Now, if you have any questions, or if you're interested in buying anything at all, including this daily trade plan, well, all you got to do is get in contact with me. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video in the description for all my contact information. Please keep in mind that you're going to need 4 things to succeed at trading. You'll need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And don't forget about that daily trade plan. Now you must think like you're learning to become a doctor or a lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now, of course, when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, you have only a 5% chance of succeeding. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Okay, let's take a look at these trades now. First one I did was the Euro Yen here. And I bought it, did a little cycle, and if I was still in the trade right now, it would be a winner. But when I closed everything down, I knew that I had well over 200 pips and ticks, so I just closed it out with a very small loser. So I took the trade here. If I was still in the trade now, I'd be up 5 pips, but this is a -1, so it's a minus 1 pip, and that's why you see a negative $6. Okay, let's move on to the winning trades now. First, next one here, and all the way down, as you can clearly see, the futures, the indexes, they move a lot more, they pay a lot more than Forex. But keep in mind, whatever your broker offers you and you can get into the Market Watch, you can trade it using the Easy Scalper trading system. So let's go and check out that Dow Jones. It's the next trade. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it. Matter of fact, I sold all the rest of them. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Red arrows, plenty of them. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Took the trade at this cursor. Now I took the money, divided it by 5. Calculator says it should be 38 ticks. And there it is right there, 38 ticks, and that paid out $190. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. Crude oil pays $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, this should be 32. So let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. Did qualify for a great way to trade. We have some red arrows here and here. Waited for the pullback when I saw this red candle. Well, not 100% guarantee. It could have went up some more. But I pulled the trigger before the other arrow came in, knowing it's going to give me something. And as I mentioned, it should be 32. So let's go and look for those 32. There it is right there, 32 ticks, paying out $320. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it. Daily trade plan, qualified for a great way to trade. I knew on this candle right here, I was going to get an arrow soon as it closed. So I took the trade. Everything down at the bottom, top, everything was saying to sell. So I took the money, divided it by 5 because it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it should be 87. So let's go and look for that 87. There it is right there, 87 ticks. And that paid out $437. Trading is easy and a lot of fun as long as you have the proper education and the proper tools, good system, good daily trade plan, and of course you have to learn how to use all of those tools and systems. So moving right along to the next trade. So it's the Russell. Let's run a check on it. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, easy to see it should be 44. Here was the pullback, qualified for a day, a great way to trade. Got red arrows. What more could you ask for? Trading is easy. And what did I say? It should be 44. We're almost there. There it is right there, 44 ticks, paying out $440. Okay, moving on to the DAX 30. Now the DAX 30 pays $3.75 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 3.75. Calculator says it should be approximately 225. Now I dropped it down to the 5-minute chart, just trying to get a reading, an accurate reading. Sold it here, did one more little cycle, and then away it went, according to my trading plan, etc., etc. And what did I say? 225. Well, from 231 to 222. So anyhow, that's as close as I'm going to be able to get unless I dropped it down to the 1 minute. But it is 225 ticks, and that paid out $843. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. This was the pullback. Daily trade plan was saying to sell. I knew on this candle or the next one it was going to drop. So I pulled the trigger, I sold it. Took the money, divided by 20, and the calculator says it should be approximately 57. And there it is right there, 57 ticks. You remove the last 2 digits, and that paid out $1,148. So another great day of trading using my easy scalper trading system. And I knew I was going to be well over 200 pips and ticks. I added up all the pips and the ticks. Grand total came out to 482. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,372. So if your system's not producing like my Easy Scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions or you want to buy anything at all, quite simple. All you got to do is look right below this video, and in the description you'll see a banner and the word more. Just click on it. It'll open up another window with all my contact information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. In all the years I've been trading, this is very difficult to do, as most people who are selling, they don't even want to talk to you. And remember, if you don't get any kind of support, well, you're still going to fail. Like I said, you can pick up the phone and call me. You can send me an email. Now I do prefer Skype. Made it super easy for you. All you got to do is click on the link that I have below in the description. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you have a computer or a cell phone, well, you do have Skype. Just click on the link. We'll have a connection, and through Skype and Skype screen sharing, we can talk live, and I'll be able to answer your questions. Also in the description, you'll see 4 different packages. Recommend you getting at least 3 or even all 4 of them. Remember, you're going to need a lot of education. And each package I do charge $250. And of course, if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. So anyhow, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.